Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can take action on the production process, how the entire activity happen on production process, how you can issue raw materials and then after complete the production process. So for that, first of all, please click on browse module and let us go to our production module. Now once we will come in production module, please check. This is the very first production process which I have created, which is in the planned stage. That means I have created the production process but no activity have been done. So what I need to do next, I will open this particular production process. Now, after opening the production process, please check. So I need to go ahead and start the process because currently it is just in the planned phase. So how I can do it? I need to publish it. Right hand side, very bottom, you will see an option of publish. Click on this. After clicking on publish, the production process will go live. Live as in pending. That means that we have pushed the production process to the production floor and now we can start work on the production process. After that, you need to issue the raw material. How you can do it? Or request for the raw material from inventory. How you can do it? Go below. So please check. Here is the raw material which is required. You can see that what is the current stock in here in your inventory, and accordingly you can simply just go ahead and click on issue. Once I clicked on issue, please check the current store in the store. Currently 51310 and 12110 is the stock available. I require 200 and 500. Click on this arrow, or I can manually fill the numbers as well here, and then after I can simply just go ahead and click on save changes. Once I clicked on save changes, please check. A request to my inventory is sent to approve this material. In your case, if the inventory approval is on auto, it will not come for the inventory approval. It will be directly approved and then after production process will get updated. So I will quickly go to my inventory, as in my case it is on manual. Please check. Here is the inventory approval. Selected it, approved it. After approving, come back to the production process. Now refresh it. Once I refresh, please check. Here, if you can see, estimated RM, used RM. So this much was estimated and I have used this much. If there are routing, scrap or any other charges which are involved, you can very well go ahead and update them. After going ahead and issuing the raw material, what need to be done? FG will be produced. So how you can go ahead and mark the FG produced? Right hand side, you can see an option of mark FG produced. There are bulk actions as well. So just in that, you can go ahead and take the bulk action also from the take action. So once I will click on take action, in a single screen, you can go ahead and update the finished good, update the raw material, and then after mark scrap generated, mark routing done, log other charges, all the things you can do in a single screen. Here I am taking one by one step. So now I will go ahead and mark the FG produced. So 10 was the quantity which was about to be produced. 10 is produced. I can click on this arrow. After that, if I want, I can go ahead and select the mark items test and pass so that it will get added in my inventory directly. So I can do this, and also I can just update this quantity here and click on save changes. Once I clicked on save changes, my inventory will not get updated. Why? Because in the production process, your inventory get updated once you do the finished good testing. So suppose by any chance you have saved that, how you can go ahead and do the finished good testing? Go below. There you will get an option of more FG action. Click on this. Here you will see an option of FG testing. Click on FG testing. Tested 10, passed 10 for repair. If there are something in repair, I can simply just go ahead and mention it, and accordingly it will be get updated. Here 5 for repair, 0 in rejected. If I will just make changes, 0, so 5 will be rejected. In my case, none of them are rejected, so I will simply just go ahead and update it. 10 mark tested. Once I clicked on mark tested, again an inventory approval came. I will go back to my inventory approval, refresh the page. Now please check. This is the inventory approval which came to add the stock in my inventory. Let me show you. Please check here. I simply went ahead, clicked on approve. Now, once I clicked on approve, then after I will refresh this page. Please check. Next action. Now, after this, I can simply just go ahead and complete the process. Click on down arrow, click on complete process. Rod 10 meter produced, completed. The production process is done. After doing the production process, I will show you that how come in the inventory it got updated. Just allow me a quick moment. Now, oh, I'm really sorry. It is already in the completed. Now let us go back I will go to the item master and I will quickly search for the rod. Here, once I will come on the rod, please check. This is the 10 quantity which is updated in the inventory through production process. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and start the process and how to take action and complete the process. Have a good day ahead.